Let it go. I'm gonna say I want to name real issue. When we say name Metro, real issue. Anyway. Then how the nation gets so rotten past right people. Why Jamaica full of so much gays and dyke people? Hypocrite and parasite them get so bright people. Pose a new Kingston stoplight people. In the most eyesight that no right people. Thunder go roll and lightning strike people. The bleacher them no love the sun, them a night people. Come out like vampire, we a bite people. Why the pants and the shirt them so tight people? Them spoil and drunk up. Yo, Mr. Mixer. Mr. Hey, where to lose it? Alright, here we give me some bad mixing knock. Alright, now I come for work. Anyway, then how the nation gets so rotten past right people. Why Jamaica full of so much plagues and high people. Then how the gunman them get so bright people. And murder people in a broad daylight people. In the most eyesight that no right people. Thunder go roll and lightning strike people. The bleacher them no love the sun, them a night people. Come out like vampire, we a bite people. Why the pants and the shirt them so tight people. Them spoil all drunk our appetite people. Oh black people teacher get so white people. And come teacher get a girl them office white people. Now what that the me that's a highlight people. So our roots rock reggae them a fight people. Don't you know that we are really Israelite people? Why you turn hypocrite and parasite people? Why you turn PMP and labor right people? Anyway, don't stop. Again. Second verse. Anyway. Then Jamaica we need to plant a lot of ground provision. Now the DJ need to compose better composition. The shotter find themselves in a gun position. And the junkie find themselves in a rum position. The Catholic priests them in a nun position. The freaks find themselves a threesome position. See I'm blind here and deaf them in a dumb position. Yes, so right now, when I say we are dealing real, I be a folly a go on in a Jamaica. And some people have put up slackness and I deal with be a slackness boy. Rasta say. Anyway, then Jamaica we need to plant a lot of ground provision. Now the DJ need to compose better composition. The shotter find themselves in a gun position. And the junkie find themselves in a rum position. The Catholic priests them in a nun position. And the freaks find themselves a threesome position. See I'm blind here and deaf them in a dumb position. We put them in a fire gun position. A Sanomango Maro lifestyle. Live in a dirty nasty freaky paro lifestyle. The Rasta follow not a arrow lifestyle that bring pain, misery, sorrow lifestyle. Tell them a Sanomango Maro lifestyle. Live in a dirty nasty freaky paro lifestyle. The Rasta follow not a arrow lifestyle that bring pain, misery, sorrow lifestyle. Then the world lost. Misled gone astray by this new world jackass. Seems like revelation come to pass. Earthquake a go shake now just because the sex in the mouth and the sex in you. The powder you're smart and a fight against the grass. Balance again. Different issue me I deal with again right now. Bubba, hold up the flag then. Cause me have a serious issue for deal with tonight. You see a banner here? You see a banner here in here, red, gold and green. After we burn a rasta down to see with a banner here, don't you? So how come some nasty boy, ungodly boy we come and talk about what kind of flag? Balance the rhythm, I'm telling you something. You see right now? Tell them something, say. Tell them me, now give them no permission. No way, this is a boy and girl mission. Tell J Flag and the politician, Jamaica say, that's not our tradition. Now give them no permission. No way, this is a boy and girl mission. Tell J Flag and the politician, Jamaica say, that's not our. We put the ladies before the gentleman. Any boy no love woman, no have no ambition. Find yourself in a very bad condition. With the girls, them me love to play dandition. Jamaica, some booger no legalize. If you're found guilty, you get penalized. A full time now, them fi realize we not bow, we not compromise. In the UK, Canada, and USA, give same-sex marriage, that's what they say. In Jamaica, that is not okay. Rastafari tell them to go away. Remember, say feminine to masculine. Mama telling you this, some boy now sit down and write no lyrics. And then meditation mash up. A pure corruption in a spirit. Anyway, tell them some military man said this a year, some hold me down in our business, you know. Anyway, tell them, now give them no permission. No way, this is a boy and girl mission. Tell J Flag and the politician, Jamaica say that's not our tradition. Now give them no permission. No way, this is a boy and girl mission. Tell J Flag and the politician, Jamaica say that's not our. Put the ladies before the gentleman. Any boy no love woman, no have no ambition. Find yourself in a very bad condition. With the girl, them me love to play a dandition. Jamaica say booger no legalize. If you're found guilty, you get penalized. A full time now, them fi realize. We not bow down, we not compromise. In the UK, Canada, and USA, give same-sex marriage, that's what they say. In Jamaica, that is not okay. Rastafari tell them to go away. Remember, say feminine to masculine. Virgin girl, they rub them with the Vaseline. From you are rubbish in a bin, we are go trash you in. From you are fucking a president. Reggae music is a very strong business. Bring tourists to Jamaica land business. Guinea's rich, half a we session business. Tell Guinea's go and go them business. Red Stripe here now have to sponsor this. Reggae make you get rich, you better answer this. Check the we are slave ship for your anchor this. No be here no eagle nor no dragon can't conquer this. Me a make sure me a one Heineken. No make Guinness and Red Stripe frighten him. Cause a reggae music enlighten him. Judgment to take you like Peter King. See your band Buju Banton and your band Shabba. Caperton Bounty Killer and your band Sizzler. You no band Rum Tobacco, you no band Whistler. Go ban your beer when you Budweiser. Tell them we now give them the perm.
Why? Yo, O'Neal, you see someone tell us you're a bad artist. If him bad, say bad artist. Bad artist, man, him put things from people. O'Neal, you have to make the man express himself here, sir. The greatest thing. Where's sir? What to say? What to say? No, sir. People them say more.
What you say bad? Say bad. Say real bad. Say bad bubble.
Here we go. Hold it. You know what say seriously. And them thing they cause them thing they in Jamaica because when Guinness and Red Stripe come out past some fest and say them a band artists. Who them ban off? The rest them go work before them say I want to know we not work, no sure. Boy come like artists get licky like some little boy at all. Me tell you this, me not bow down to people. I me tell you, I said this one, me attack now, me no want no rhythm. Me attack it like a dub poet. And it named Kingston. I am telling you this before me talk you one ya. You see, every ghetto in a Kingston, it have been colonized. Like how you see, British and the French and the Dutch, them colonized other countries. And every ghetto in Jamaica have been colonized by PMP and labor right. Always remember that there's no ghetto you can go in and no PMP and labor right control that. So this one named Kingston, the murder capital. You see me? Here we go on now. I'm on the list of the scheme and catch this on the phone to and send out to the Prime Minister and all of them. Here we go on from in the 70s, gunmen lease Kingston. From West Kingston straight to East Kingston. Work for PMP and Labour Right, the Beast Kingston. 1980, there wasn't no Peace Kingston. Mama ban her belly and say, please Kingston, the amount of blood where you're running on your street, Kingston. Politics selection come deceive Kingston. And when them shoot Bob Marley, Rasta grieve Kingston. The city full of murderers and thieves, Kingston, could not control by your soldiers nor police, Kingston. So you hand it to Dodos and Zeke's, Kingston. I saw the Valley Matches Lane sign Peace, Kingston. Mad now get no more body for free, Kingston. Meet no keep said the dan them breach, Kingston. Get rid of Dodos and Zeke's, Kingston. I saw this big incursion come reach, Kingston. Spanish Town, have you seen blasted disease, Kingston? And Moby, you catch your symptoms when you sneeze, Kingston. Westmoreland farmer turn gunman, enough food now reach, Kingston. Clarendon say give thanks to the badness them achieve, Kingston. Linstead full of your nephew and your niece, Kingston. But any day I hear say ISIS lease, Kingston, I just pack my bags.
Yo!
Teach them. Always make sure the message reach them.